Hey guys, welcome back to Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. Have you ever wondered about words like, I need to put something in my closet? Or, would this look nice on the jar? In, on? Well, these words are called prepositions, and I'm going to talk about them today. Let's get started. Question of the week. Profe Angela, could you teach us the difference between in and on? Catalina, Barranquilla, Colombia. Great question, Catalina. Well, prepositions are words that tell you where something is located. We use in when something is inside an enclosed space. For example, the phone is in his hand. Or the hamster is in the wheel. And on the other hand, on is used when something is resting on a surface. For example, the birthday cake is on the table. Or the woman is on the treadmill. Welcome to this week's riddle challenge. How can you add 8 eighths to get to the number 1,000? Hey Catalina, thank you so much for that amazing question about prepositions. And good luck you guys on solving this week's riddle. Alright, that's it this week on Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of your English language learning experience. Remember guys, if you are my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. Alright guys, have an awesome rest of your weekend and I'll see you next time. See you!